In this video, I'll explain how the daily summary report works in WinkSell. Once you are logged in, look for the Reports, Sale Reports, and then the Daily Summary Report. This report contains a comprehensive sales record for each day. The sale column indicates the total sale revenue. CR indicates the total credit sales. Online indicates the total card bank sales, and cash is the revenue collected in cash for the day, or stands for Old Returns, which refers to the return of the invoices from the previous days, processed on the current day. AFD stands for Available for Deposit, which is the revenue you need to match with your store's cash drawer at the end of the day. Next are the net sales by excluding and including tax. The discount column indicates the discount customers got. At last comes the sales and returns columns indicate the total number of sales for the day. Please note that the returns will also include the old returns. That's all about the daily summary report, and to learn about other reports and interfaces, please watch our other videos.